Hey guys, it's time for more WILES family adventures. So we saw this thing on the internet where you can make t-shirt airplanes when it gets really cold outside. So we're going to try this. Where we're at right now, it's about 13, 14 degrees outside, so it's really cold. Dang. So we're going to try to make this quick, but we want to see if this thing works. So first thing you need, it's just a great t-shirt. I mean,
he has like a whole bunch of Christmas shirts that have like decorations on them, and we thought this one would be very funny and kind of
it's just one of my best t-shirts. I mean, I don't know who doesn't have an elf Christmas t-shirt. It's not Christmas time anymore. Yeah, who wouldn't? But, you know, so we've got one for now. So we're going to use this shirt.
It's almost Valentine's Day.
It's almost Valentine's Day. So we got a bucket of water already.
Birthday.
It's almost my birthday, too. So we're going to take this t-shirt. All we got to do is get it wet. So, like I said, it's really cold out here. So Ella's not going to get in the water.
Yeah, it's very cold out here. I left my earmuffs in the car, so I had to use my mom's hat.
Yeah. So, and at 14 degrees, it's not going to take very long for it to freeze. So, we'll just get it good and wet.
Oh, wow.
God, it's cold.
I know, it's very cold.
We get it good and wet.
Oh.
As you can see, we have a sopping wet t-shirt.
I forgot.
Yeah, we've tried this video twice now. So, it's really cold out here. The shirt's wet, so now all we have to do is wait for it to freeze. So, we're just going to lay it out. Nice and flat and smooth. It is crazy cold out here, so we're going to let it freeze and
we're going to warm up inside. We'll be back, guys.
We'll be back.
Hey, guys, we're back. And now we're just going to fold them. Look how hard these are.
Yeah, so these are our Christmas t-shirts that we froze. I said it's pretty cold out here, so it didn't take very long. So now we just fold them like a paper airplane.
Dad's is very stiff. Mine's a little stiff. Mine's a little...
Fold the t-shirt.
Oh, wow. I always want to fold a t-shirt.
How do you fold an airplane?
No. What do you do? Oh. That's the way for me, you know?
Keep folding.
I don't know how. Dad, how'd you do that here?
Fold one side, now fold the other side. Your neighbors are going to think we're ridiculous.
We're just
Okay. So there's your airplane. Okay, so now...
Can you have a competition?
It didn't look very good, but now
No.
we have a t-shirt airplane. Show me your airplane, Ellen.
This one's mine. Ta-da!
So now we have an airplane. So throw your airplane.
Oh.
You want to race them?
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
To see who can go
Hey,
the
turn yours
furthest.
around.
To see who can go the furthest.
All right, you ready?
You go.
All right.
You go first. Aww.
Okay. So they don't fly very well.
No. Not at all. They did not go very far.
So we'll practice folding our t-shirt airplanes.
And I'll probably try it again sometime, maybe.
So you got anything else to tell them?
Subscribe to our channel, give it a big like,